What forms do the foreign workers applying for the SINP Long-Haul Truck Drivers Project need to fill out? Applicants for the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program Long-Haul Truck Drivers Project need to fill out and submit the following forms: an SINP-100-26 Long-Haul Truck Driver Checklist, an SINP-100-11 Long-Haul Truck Driver Employee Application Form, and a Code of Conduct for Immigration Representative and Applicant Declaration. Applicants should also fill out and submit copies of the following forms: an IMM 0008 Generic Application Form for Canada, an IMM 0008 DEP Additional Dependents Declaration, an IMM 5669 Schedule A Background Declaration, an IMM 0008 Schedule 4 Economic Classes, an IMM 5406 Additional Family Information Form, an IMM 5476 Use of a Representative, an IMM 5475 Authority to release personal information to a designated individual, an IMM 5409 Statutory Declaration of Common Law Union, and an IMM 5562 Supplementary Information on Your Travels form. For everything you need to know about this process, click the hyperlink or call the number below this video.